Hello students, this is Rehmat Khan from Shivjyoti Educational Group. I hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. Dear students, I request you to watch our videos completely, and if you don't understand anything, rewind it and watch it again. Dear students, today we are going to learn one of the interesting chapter of civics, that is chapter 7, Outcomes of Democracy, part 1. And in this part 1, the topics which we are going to cover are: how do we assess democracy's outcome? Second, accountable, responsive and legitimate government. We'll understand what is the meaning of the terms, and we'll end with this part by discussing economic growth and development. So let us start with this beautiful chapter. So dear students, before we move on to this chapter, I request you to kindly open your textbook while we are learning this chapter, that is page number 90. Okay? Now, we have the first question which comes in our mind: outcomes of democracy. Outcomes. Sir, what is the meaning of outcomes? Because democracy, we all know, we have learned, we have heard about democracy, but when we talk about outcomes of democracy, the question comes in our mind: what does it mean? Beta, outcomes means results, wherein we are going to talk about if any country is having democracy, वहाँ पर democracy है, so what will be the result? What will be the outcome of democracy? That is what we are going to learn. We are going to see whether democracy is, in actual terms, in reality, is it better or not when we compare it to the other forms of government. So, when we talk about other forms of government, we should know which are the other forms of government apart from democracy, or in the entire world everybody follows democracy. My question to you is, क्या पूरे वर्ल्ड के अंदर सब डेमोक्रेसी को ही फॉलो करते हैं, और is there any other form of government? So your answer will be, sir, it is not democracy all over. There are other forms of government also. दूसरी तरह के भी सरकारें हैं, गवर्नमेंट हैं. That is, we have dictatorship. Dictatorship का मतलब wherein one person is ruling entire country. Okay, we have the example of dictatorship of North Korea, and earlier the famous example जो लोग दिया करते थे, Hitler is very famous for this, right? So when we talk about other forms of government, we have monarch, king's rule. Saudi Arabia is the example. Okay, we can talk about communist party, one party rule. China is the example. Okay, and we have democracy, which we are going to talk about. So let us understand which form of government is better and what are the outcomes of democracy. On the screen you can see an image here, right? So you can see corruption, say no, and you can see some slogans here in Hindi, right? Hi महंगाई, they are against the prices which are rising. महंगाई जो बढ़ रही है उसके खिलाफ ये लोग प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं. So look at this image carefully, because we have a question here now. Okay, and the question is, what did you observe in the images? What are the expectations of various groups? Which form of government can best meet these diverse expectations? We have three questions. That we observe that there are some people who are demanding something. वो किसी का प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं, करप्शन के खिलाफ है, महंगाई के खिलाफ है. What are the expectations of various groups? In a democracy there are different people, and different people have different expectations. Expectation हर एक community का, हर एक group का अलग अलग expectations होगा. कोई चाहेगा हमें ये बदलाव चाहिए, कोई कहेगा हमें ये बदलाव चाहिए. Which form of government can best meet this diverse expectation? Diverse expectations का मतलब ये है कि हर एक ग्रुप का सेम ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं है. वो बदलाव तो चाहते हैं, हर एक ग्रुप अलग अलग बदलाव चाहता है. That's why it is called diverse. अब सरकार एक है और यहाँ पर डिमांड्स बहुत सारे हैं. So here is the question कि which form of government can fulfill best these demands? Okay, that is what we are going to answer. Okay. Now, when we saw this image, in this image we can see the image show diverse socio-economic groups raising their concern. मतलब बहुत सारे ग्रुप्स हैं जो किसी चीज के बारे में कंसर्न दिखा रहे हैं, दे आर नॉट हैप्पी विथ समथिंग, राइट? दैट माइट बी इन्फ्लेशन, करप्शन, राइट टू लाइफ, राइट टू वर्क, दिस आर द वेरियस थिंग्स. नाउ इमेजिन वेयर देयर इज डिक्टेटरशिप, जहां पे डिक्टेटरशिप फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट है. अगर मैं वहां जाके सरकार के खिलाफ अगर प्रदर्शन करूं, अगर वहां जाकर इफ आई रेज स्लोगन्स अगेंस्ट द गवर्नमेंट, विल दे एक्सेप्ट इट? इमेजिन वेयर देयर इज मोनार्क रूल, जहां पे किंग्स रूल है, वहां जाके अगर मैं उनके अगेंस्ट स्लोगन रेज करूं, उनके खिलाफ बोलूं, तो डू यू थिंक मैं जिंदा बच पाऊंगा? सो अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई विल गिव यू लेटेस्ट एग्जाम्पल, आज पूरे देश के अंदर हमारे जो किसान हैं, द फार्मर्स आर प्रोटेस्टिंग. अगर यही प्रोटेस्ट अगर डिक्टेटरशिप जहां है वहां होता, किंग्स रूल है वहां होता, तो क्या वो जिंदा बच पाते? This is what we are going to understand in this chapter, outcomes of democracy. That is, in those form of government, that is dictatorship, and in monarch rule, you cannot go against them. You cannot raise your voice, but in democracy, you can do so. That is the beauty of democracy. That is what we are going to talk about, right? So, when we talk about democracy in this chapter, we will examine the achievements and outcomes of democracy. It is only in democracy that citizens can wage mass protest and struggle to seek justice. Whatever I told you just now, it is in just democracy जहाँ पे आप अपनी वॉइस रेज कर सकते हो, आप किसी चीज के बारे में बोल सकते हो. अगर आपको कोई चीज पसंद नहीं आती है, पीसफुली यू कैन डेमोन्स्ट्रेट, ओके, यू कैन ओपोज मतलब विरोध करना. दिस इज पॉसिबल इन डेमोक्रेसी, नॉट इन अदर फॉर्म्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट which examples I have given you, right? Now, what does democracy guarantee? What does democracy guarantee? If it is democracy, for example India is a democracy, तो डेमोक्रेसी होने के नाते ये चीजें कंपलसरी है, ये होनी चाहिए. This should be there, okay? This is there in our textbook also, page number 90, okay? That is, in points we have promotes equality among citizens, enhances the dignity of the individuals. These all points are very important, okay? Page number 90, okay? All 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points are very important. That is, promotes equality among citizens, enhances the dignity of the individual, okay? All 5 points are very important. Please mark it in your textbook. So, I am going to discuss it here. Improves the quality of decision making. If it is democracy, the quality of decision making will be better. Allows room to correct mistakes. You can correct your mistakes. Promotes equality among citizens. It will promote equality among citizens and provides methods to resolve conflicts. It will provide methods to resolve conflict. Let us understand one by one. When I talk about improves the quality of decision making, in a democracy, the decisions are taken by the elected representatives. जिसको हम वोट देते हैं, जिसको हम चुनते हैं, वो हमारे बिहाफ पर डिसीजंस लेते हैं. दे डोंट सिट इन द ऑफिस दैट इज टेकन इन द लेजिस्लेचर. ये सारा सब कुछ लेजिस्लेचर में होता है, वहां पर जहां डिबेट्स होते हैं, आर्ग्यूमेंट्स होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ अ गवर्नमेंट वांट्स टू पास अ न्यू रूल फॉर द पीपल, अगर सरकार कोई रूल पास करना चाहती है लोगों के लिए, सो दैट रूल इज नॉट जस्ट पास लाइक दिस ओनली. There will be debates on that. There will be people who will be arguing, debating that it is not good, this is not good, there should be changes in this. And after so much discussion, so much debates, after that only that decision is taken. That's why the quality of decision is improved here, because that decision is not taken by one person. Like if I talk about dictatorship, if I talk about king's rule, okay, there the decision is taken by one man और उनका decision final होता है, right? That decision which is taken cannot be changed, but in democracy we are allowed to correct our mistakes, okay? The decision can be changed, right? Allows room to correct mistakes. That is, I have told you, in democracy the decision which is taken can be changed, can be amended. The law which is made that can be amended. Amended का मतलब होता है बच्चों that we can change it. उसमें हम बदलाव ला सकते हैं. Promotes equality among citizens. promotes equality among citizens. In democracy, all the citizens are equal. The best example is the voting right. Whether he is a rich person or whether a beggar has one vote. कोई करोड़पति है या कोई आपका बेगर है जो भीख मांगता है, उसका भी एक वोट है और उस करोड़पति का भी एक ही वोट होगा. This is in democracy. Okay, promotes equality among citizens. Okay, provides methods to resolve conflict. अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं, कोई लड़ाई झगड़े होते हैं, अगर लोग खुश नहीं होते हैं, so in democracy the government approaches the people, approaches the group and try to solve the problem. Again I will give you the same example of the farmers. So the farmers are not happy, they are protesting and the government is trying to help them out, and that is the example of provides methods to resolve conflicts. अगर कोई खुश नहीं है, कुछ problems हो रही हैं, उसको sort out करने की कोशिश करते हैं. This is what a democracy guarantees. Fine, we will see how much of this are effective और वाकई में democracy अच्छी है या नहीं है. That is what we are going to find out, right? Features of democratic government. What are the features of democratic government? Okay. Formal constitution. In a democracy there will be a formal constitution. Constitution is set of rules and regulation by which the country runs. Democracy के अंदर constitution होगा, okay, and उसी constitution के तहत पूरा देश चलता है. That is why we say that it's legitimate government. We are going to talk about this further in this chapter. Elections. In democracy at regular intervals there will be elections. Okay. In India it is 5 years. Political parties. In India there will be political parties, and that too more than 2 parties, because we here follow multi-party system. Rights of citizens. In India the citizens have their rights. Okay, बोलने की आज़ादी है, पढ़ने की आज़ादी है, they can question the government. Okay, so they have right to choose their religion. Secularism, we can follow any religion of our choice, nobody can force us, right? Bill of Rights, you have rights. Okay, so lot of things. These are all the things which are the features of democratic government. In democracy these are the rights of a citizens, right? The outcomes of democracy vary from country to country depending upon various reasons. That is, it is said, जो रिजल्ट होगा डेमोक्रेसी का वो सारे देशों में एक नहीं होगा. I will just give you example. USA is a democracy, India is a democracy, अमेरिका भी एक डेमोक्रेसी है और भारत भी एक डेमोक्रेसी है. Now some might say, सर अगर दोनों डेमोक्रेसी है तो अमेरिका तो कितना डेवलप्ड है और भारत में अभी भी इतनी सारी गरीबी है, ऐसा क्यों? That is what we are going to understand. So the same thing is said here, that the outcomes varies from country to country depending upon social situation. वहाँ की social situation क्या है, economic achievements, उनके economic achievements क्या है, and the culture, what kind of culture they follow, and depending on this the outcome will vary. और इसके बिना पर हम कह सकते हैं वहाँ का जो रिजल्ट होगा वो डिफरेंट होगा. फाइन. Next, we have a question here, and which is a very important question. Okay, question raised on its validity. There are some people who raise questions, like for example this lady here is asking a question. I am not able to enjoy all my rights. Should I blame democracy for this? This lady is asking, मेरे पूरे rights मैं enjoy नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, क्या मैं ये कहूँ कि democracy बुरी है? Is it correct to expect democracy to address all the socio-economic and political problems? We have a big question here. क्या पूरा इल्जाम डेमोक्रेसी पे लगाना सही होगा? Let us find out. Now first question to you is, क्या डेमोक्रेसी कोई इंसान है? और do you think democracy can on their own और अपने आप से ही कुछ चीजें सही कर सकती है डेमोक्रेसी? No बेटा. Okay, let us understand how. Now, when we talk about democracy, no, we must remember democracy is only a form of government. Democracy is just a form of government. मतलब एक तरीका है जिससे हमें चलना है, पर वो अपने आप नहीं चलता. There are the people who are running it. Okay? So they are not living things. So democracy is just a form of government. Fine. So we cannot blame the democracy because इस democracy के अंदर जो चीजें कर रहा है, चला रहा है, they all are the human beings, they are the representatives, right? That is what we need to understand. Democracy cannot be blamed for every problem. And the solution, how can we make it better, is education is the prerequisite of democracy. Education अगर better होगा तो democracy भी better होगी. That is very important. Now, one important thing. Those countries, वो देश जहां पर पढ़े लिखे लोग अनपढ़ों की तरह बर्ताव करते हैं, वो देश खतरे से खाली नहीं है. Remember this thing. Being educated, you need to act like an educated person, not like an uneducated person. Because a person being educated, when he ignores, when he acts like uneducated person, that is a very serious problem of the country, and development is not possible of that country when this person behave like this. Do remember this in your life. Okay? So we are talking about democracy, we are talking about the question that lady raised, and we got the answer that democracy is just a form of government. On the own, it cannot do anything, right? Next, what are the minimum conditions we can expect from a democracy? Can we expect something from democracy? Yes, let us find out. Okay, when we talk about expectations, okay, page number 91 we have, when we talk about expectations, we have accountability, efficiency, transparency and legitimacy. That is accountable, responsive and legitimate government. Okay, so what is this accountability, what is this efficiency, transparency and legitimacy? Let us understand this one by one. Fine. First condition, accountability. When we say accountability, active citizens participation produces a responsible government. Do remember students, if something is happening wrong, कुछ गलत हो रहा है और लोग उसके बारे में आवाज नहीं उठाएंगे तो कुछ सही नहीं होगा. The problem will increase. But when the people participate more in the democracy, then only the democracy can be better. Okay? Then only the government will be accountable. People have a right to exercise control over the rulers who they choose. Do remember, the people whom we choose, we control them. But what happens in reality is they control us. This is very bad. That is why some people blame that democracy in actual practical life is not good. Okay? So people have all the rights, they have the power and they can control. Okay? Accountability. I am just giving you an example. मैं आपको एक example देता हूँ. Fine. Imagine रहमत सर is teaching. रहमत सर क्लास में पढ़ा रहे हैं और मुझे कोई देखने वाला नहीं है कि मैं क्या पढ़ा रहा हूँ, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. तो कभी कभार ऐसा हो सकता है कि कोई टीचर आपको कुछ भी पढ़ा के चला जाए, कुछ भी सिखाकर चला जाए. ये ना हो इस वजह से I have somebody who is watching me, who checks out, वो चेक करते हैं सब कुछ. Then only the video is sent to you. And that's why I have a fear. मुझे डर रहता है कि मुझे कुछ गलत नहीं पढ़ा रहे हैं, सब सही से पढ़ाना है, अच्छे से पढ़ाना है. Okay? And this is what we are talking about, accountability. जब सरकार को ये पता होता है कि there are some people who can argue, who can check, who can oppose, वो हमें चेक कर सकते हैं, then the working is smooth. और ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए. Okay, this is just an example. सब ऐसे नहीं होते हैं. There are some people जो अपने आप से सब सारी चीजें अच्छे से करते हैं. But we know in India we have heard about corruption cases a lot. तो ऐसा possible है, ऐसा होता है कि ऐसा होना जरूरी है क्योंकि वैसे लोगों को हम लाइन पे ला सके. ठीक है? Yes, we are talking about accountability. Okay? ऐसा नहीं कि सरकार जो चाहिए वो करे और बिना लोगों को पूछे बताए, और ऐसा नहीं कि वो लोगों से कहे कि आप हमें पूछ नहीं सकते, आप हमें बता नहीं सकते. Okay, if people are not satisfied with the government, they can ask the government to step down. If they are not happy with the government, they can request the government to step down. Okay, this usually don't happens, पर this can be ऐसा हो सकता है, but only when the whole country comes together. Fine.